Hello and thanks for viewing this Routeco video today. The theme is your digital transformation journey. Late June and early July, Rockwell Automation and Routeco are hosting 4 national events to tackle this important subject. We're looking at the Northwest, which is Stoke City's football stadium, the Northeast, Hardwick Hall near Sedgefield, then we're moving down south to the Southwest, Borringdon Park Golf Club near Plymouth, and lastly the Southeast, Colchester United Football Stadium. I'm delighted to welcome Phil Hadfield, Rockwell Automation's UK Country Director, to be with us today. No two customers are at the same point on their digital journey, and we are looking to inspire, motivate and support. Phil, can you run through some of the topics Rockwell Automation will be covering at these 4 events?
Thanks, Darren. I think you'll agree, sometimes the evolution to a fully smart, connected enterprise can seem challenging and difficult. However, it needn't be. A bit like a journey to an end destination, we can break this down into 4 key stages. The first stage is evaluation. At this point, you really need to have a look at your plant or machine builds and consider where you are already on the digital journey. It's also worth looking at the challenges your business faces against competition to identify critical areas for focus. During the shows, we'll be showing you how you can migrate obsolete hardware with minimal risk to enable you to develop a foundation to build your smart enterprise. The next stage of the journey is to develop a firm foundation to start gathering data from your equipment. Using smart connected components, you can pull out a rich data set to help you trend and visualize what's happening on your plant floor. This enables you to start reporting OEE improvements and maintenance requirements in real time. The third stage on your digital journey will be to start using basic analytics, taking the data that we're gathering off the shop floor and turning it into useful information. At the event, we'll show examples of how this data can be used to make process improvements and mitigate costly downtimes. Finally, we'll look at what the ultimate smart connected manufacturing facility looks like, showing augmented and virtual reality, digital twins, and the ability to look at advanced analytics to make real-time strategic business decisions. Come and try the experience and start the digital transformation journey with Rockwell Automation and Routeco. We look forward to seeing you at one of the events.
Thanks very much for that, Phil. Use the below link to the Routeco website events page to register your interest in attending. You can also view the agenda and timings for these 4 events. The events are open to all and free to attend, but places are limited, so be quick. I would like to thank Phil for being with us today, and if you're looking for inspiration or motivation to progress your digital journey and start seeing the benefits, these events are for you. Subscribe to the Routeco YouTube channel to see more product content. Look forward to seeing you at the first event at Stoke City's football stadium on the 25th of June. Thank you.